Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, July 9. Cabinet, through the Electricity Sector Enterprise Team ESET, now has the authority to manage the procurement and project implementation for new generation capacity on the island. This includes the 360-megawatt project that was previously awarded to Energy World International EWI. Cabinet's new powers were made possible after government amended the license granted to the Jamaica Public Service Company. The license was modified on Monday, July 7.
It will also grant the JPSCO a right of first refusal in relation to the replacement of any of its existing generation facilities. The amendments and related matters are pertinent to the critical and urgent issue of the procurement of the new base load generation capacity. It removes constraints that we all acknowledge on the ability of ESET to proceed with this mandate.
While closing the sectoral debate Tuesday, the Energy Minister reminded that ESET was established to have oversight of the 360-megawatt project once EWI's license is revoked on July 21. He said great care was being taken to make cheaper electricity rates a reality for Jamaicans.
In this regard, Mr. Speaker, the Cabinet was advised by ESET that consultancy services are being engaged to complete within 2 months the following work. Firstly, a least cost generation plan, a power plant site option, and thirdly, the business model and projected financial long-term plan for JPS.
Jamaica is making greater trade inroads into the Venezuelan market as the Caribbean Cement Company Limited (CCCL) gets set to expand the volume of clinker it ships to the South American company under the Petrocaribe Trade Compensation Mechanism. That mechanism allows the Jamaican government to use the trade arrangement to offset its debt obligations for the oil received under the Petrocaribe Energy Accord. Building on an earlier deal for the shipment of $8.5 million worth of clinker, CCCL is now preparing to ship an additional $20.5 million of clinker to Venezuela. The Energy and Mining Minister has applauded the deal, adding that more local companies need to take advantage of the trade arrangement.
Apart from cement, that country's economy has real and potential demand for a wide range of products that our manufacturers and producers can satisfy. So, Mr. Speaker, the Ministries of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Foreign Affairs, Finance and Planning, and my own will be working closely with our private sector to facilitate further opportunities under the trade compensation mechanism.
The Office of Utilities Regulation O.U.R. is holding meetings with stakeholders to discuss the decision by Digicel Lime to block applications that allow users to make free phone calls over the Internet. The telecommunications companies have blocked Voice over Internet Protocol VoIP services from accessing their networks. Technology State Minister Julian Robinson says the company's decision is actually permissible under the Telecommunications Act.
It's a broader issue of how other persons will have access to a network, what price they will pay for the data, the speed of the data, etc. And those are the discussions that the O.U.R. has actually begun.
The State Minister was speaking with business leaders and investors on Friday at the American Chamber of Commerce Town Hall meeting. He is urging persons and entities with concerns and positions on the matter to make submissions to the O.U.R. The National Contracts Commission (NCC) is to be separated from the Office of the Contractor General and given its own office and staff. The commission will then be renamed the Public Procurement Commission. Portfolio Minister Horace Daly told Parliament on Tuesday that this was part of plans to revamp the public procurement system to improve efficiency within the public sector. A new procurement law will also be tabled in Parliament soon.
There will also be established a public procurement appeals body where a contractor can appeal to. If you feel you are wrong as a contractor, as someone doing service for government, you go to the Public Appeals Board.
A new contractor registration system will also be developed and the emergency contracting procedures reviewed. To speed up the contracts award process, the Ministry of Finance will no longer need to comment on all contracts before they are approved. Government's plan to improve the business climate and public sector service delivery will be boosted with the approval of a $37 million World Bank project. A release from the World Bank says the public sector transformation project will improve customs administration and modernize the public sector. Specifically, it will strengthen the public investment management system, roll out new operating procedures for customs, and strengthen the Bureau of Standards to provide improved services to the trading community. The public sector transformation project was financed through a $35 million loan from the World Bank and a $2.64 million grant from the Department for International Development. And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller is out of office on vacation. Mrs. Simpson-Miller will be off the island on holiday from July 8 to 11. While the Prime Minister is out of office, the Minister of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change, Robert Pickersgill, will be in charge of the government. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.